Good morning, traders. In this video this morning, I would like to focus on the importance of preparation for your trading. It is the most important moment in your trading. This is alpha Fibonacci resistance identified many days in advance. If you miss the events of the last few days, pretty please do review. Well before market open, we discussed with students, buying into resistance not an option. This is the end of the minor trend. Days in advance, we also identified well before FOMC that this was crucial support, not a place to short. So if you miss the events of FOMC, pretty please to review. This is the power of the method. You know critical buy and sell levels, minutes, hours, days, weeks and months in advance. All depends on chart you trade. So when a brilliant trader prepares for the trading day, brilliant trader knows extremely well. If you choose to buy into this resistance, your success rate less than 20%. Brilliant trader exhales when price retraces. Brilliant trader right now monitoring price very carefully. And if price pulling back to here, it's a fantastic news. This is a very good place to look to buy from. This is even better. But if the price stuck here and software right now would give me alert to buy because it is critical support and scanner will light up multiple alerts, brilliant trader will take long. Are you surprised? Of course not. This was expected. If I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? Buyers stepping in already. Software said so, well in advance. Brilliant trader taking advantage of long market. And that's the power of the method. And that's a trader who is very well prepared, knows extremely well. Shorts, not a brilliant idea. With the help of a software and multi-market scanner, it's a pain-free trading. Because daily chart showing clearly. Crucial support remains respected. And if this crucial support remains respected, it means institutions continue buying this market. And that's the power of the method. All identified in advance, never after the fact. So this is a very dangerous, dense, brilliant trader this morning dealing with. This support and this resistance. This is your range at the open. Is everyone seeing this? We knew this well before it happened. Software identified this as a critical support. Alpha Fibonacci resistance on hourly present for days. This is a problem. Brilliant trader knows this extremely well. This is your range at the open on any chart you trade. And that's a crucial preparation for your trading day. Software already giving multiple number of long alerts. Brilliant trader chooses trade carefully. Because market extremely high. This is a biggest problem. This resistance in front of you. This is your range. So if you choose to trade this, you understand how limited range is this morning. How every single tick matters. Nothing else is possible. This is the range this morning between critical support and critical resistance. So if you choose to trade this market, if you understand the danger of extended bullish rally and brand new historical highs created during spectacular event on FOMC, you understand this is extremely aggressive market. So if you're buying this high and your range is this limited to the tick, alpha Fibonacci levels identifies your trading range. Speculation in the markets is not an option. Markets will become more aggressive and more dangerous as markets will continue creating higher historical levels. This is your institutional chart. This has been identified months in advance. This has been present since last year. This is a trend inception on institutional chart, and this is critical resistance. Price been struggling since the month of May to break through this level. If we are breaking through this level is next. And market will become more and more challenging. Do you understand that? So when I work with major firm on Wall Street and there are zero shorts, that's because institutional buyers firmly long. Look at this and look at your trading account. Are you well prepared? Do you understand that market will become much more challenging? If market will continue rallying, that this is the most dangerous area to trade at without powerful pullback, more and more challenging markets ahead. You will get more and more of this. Clear? This is your trading range this morning. If you are witnessing significance of this level, the end of the minor trend identified many months in advance, this is what plays out to the tick this morning. This. If you are trading 1 minute chart, this is the area. To the tick. This. Nothing else is possible. So, scanner giving us massive number of long alerts. Trader would choose the trade very carefully. Clear on that? Understanding how limited the range is. And if I convert this chart to 5, identical level would remain. Identical problem this morning. And if I convert this chart to 15, identical level would remain. This was FOMC, stunning and flawless event. You missed the event? Take a look on YouTube channel. This is a brick wall this morning. This. Identical significance as on weekly. Present in the room for days. This present in the room since last year. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. So price right now retraces. It's a gift. It's such a beautiful news. If price collapses to here, it's much better than if the price is here. So if you understand that institutional bias is bullish, you are buying pullbacks, you are not shorting the markets. If you are shorting the markets, you are staying on train wrecks in front of bullish train. 99.9% of male traders love to short. only the moment you recognize that institutions buying the markets, you ignoring short alerts because you want to ride institutional train. You do not want to stay in front of bullish train, do you? So when the price stages this powerful pullback, it's a gift. Let's go to here. Let's collapse where the price was at the time of FOMC. Yes. And again, if you're deciding to short and you are shorting into this support, ouch. For the last 30 minutes, every single short fails. Clear on that? We knew and identified all of this in advance. So again, plenty of shorts are present. If you love to short, you're simply shorting against institutions. Brilliant trader understands that. Brilliant trader not trading against institutions. More powerful the pullback, more powerful bullish opportunity would be. As it played out at the time of FOMC, identified days in advance. So as we knew this is not the place to buy, we knew this is not the place to short. Again, let's go back to 1 minute chart as brilliant trader paying attention to barometer chart. So if this support remains respected, we have a problem. Market remains stuck in pretty narrow range. We're keeping our fingers short that price will collapse drastically lower because market will become more powerful. Price collapsing to this level is a gift. Plenty of shorts are present. Trader who is shorting this market, trading against institutions. Look on weekly chart and understand. This is since December 2018. So when you see crucial support in a play, again and again and again, identified by software, in advance you are not surprised. Market full of baits into this support. Not the place to short. This is your range this morning. Brilliant, intelligent trader is well prepared. Brilliant, intelligent trader knows that trading with the highest probability, riding institutional train, is what brilliant trader does. Never ever ever trading against institutions. It is that simple. So buyers step in already from this support identified by software in advance. You are not surprised. Market full of baits into this support, not trades. We knew this well before price reached this level. Clear on that? So, massive flop this morning, massive chop, massive pain. This is your range between this support and this resistance. Brilliant trader not touching this extremely narrow range, extremely aggressive chop. Clear on that? So, 5 points chop at the open. Very weak buyers, very weak sellers. market stuck. Correct? We knew this well before market open. And that's what brilliant trader does before trader ever places trade. We have zero interest in chop. We would like for market to collapse lower. So keep your fingers crossed that that would finally play out, as buyers are worthless. Buyers are weak now. This is the end of the minor trend. The fact that price is not breaking through, showing how weak the buyers are, showing how dangerous and narrow this range is. Price collapsing lower is a gift. So here's a book of charts. Is everyone seeing this book of charts? So you can have 30, 40, 50 or 5,000 charts if you wish. And this book of chart can take half or 1/3 of the monitor. Every single chart show you this is critical support, not the place to short. For the last 4 hours, every single short in this area fails on every single chart. So if you do not want to trade with 20% success rate, you are never shorting near Alpha Fibonacci total trading system showing you hours in advance. You decide to short near, you're trading against yourself. And that's the key. Market full of baits, not trades, into Alpha Fibonacci support. So if you're jumping on short train, that's you standing in front of bullish train, hoping you will survive. Long-term success is not possible. So please remember that. For the last 4 hours, every single short fails. So when my students tell me, thank you for reminding us that. So when my students thanking me for reminding everyone that institutional bias remains long, success rate on shorts extremely low, only if you conquer testosterone, only if you conquer your desire to short, by looking on institutional chart, success is possible. Historical highs will create more challenging market conditions. Ultimate precision will be the key. Without ultimate precision, success is not possible in this very challenging market conditions. When institutions continue buying even historical highs. And that remains the key. So pretty please be well prepared before you ever place a trade. Understand what institutions do and write institutional train. So my brilliant, intelligent traders are well prepared, understanding that trading with the highest probability is key to your success. So write institutional train, would you? Look to buy as low as possible. Remember, shorting with 20% success rate into crucial support, not a recipe for success. Agree? Especially when institutions continue buying this market, even historical highs. So be prepared for more challenging market conditions ahead. Pretty please. Any powerful pullback is a gift. This level is out. Market will continue rallying higher and higher and higher. All identified, always in advance. no matter what you trade. No matter if it's 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, daily, hourly, monthly, always in advance, never after the fact. And that's the power of the method. So if you want to trade with ultimate accuracy, I look forward working with you. So if you want to be well prepared, I look forward working with you. Please review the information under Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System and decide what option available for you. If you want to trade daily, you want to utilize options, not a problem. If you want to trade weekly, if you want to trade 5 minute, if you want to trade Dow, S&P, crypto, Forex, ETFs, stocks and options, of course. Students all over the world, trading method for the last 10 years, with or without software. Choice is yours. Any questions? See what students trade, listen to what students trade, or simply call or email me. I always look forward speaking with you. Pretty please, give yourself a favor. Be intelligent, well-prepared trader. And if you are, with the help of scanner, you are trading pain-free, as students do all over the world for the last 10 years.